Classic Eggs Benedict, golden Hollandaise, perfect poached eggs, pure breakfast royalty. Love that beef chili? Now I'm bringing you Classic Eggs Benedict. Let's go! Eggs, butter, English muffins, Canadian bacon, Huey. Classic, simple, absolutely gorgeous ingredients. Clarify your butter first. Remove those milk solids for the silkiest Hollandaise. Double boiler ready wound, gentle steam only. Never let that bowl touch the water. Whisk those yolks non-stop until thick, pale, and ribbon stage cares. Don't stop. Add butter drop by drop while whisking. Patience builds that perfect emulsion. Season with cayenne, salt, lemon ken. Taste that golden Hollandaise, pure perfection. Keep Hollandaise warm in a water bath. Stir occasionally, never let it get hot. Stay warm, sweetheart. Always fork split English muffins. Those nooks hold all that gorgeous Hollandaise. Warm that Canadian bacon in the skillet fillets. Light golden edges, just like that. Just below a simmer, add vinegar. Create that gentle swirl. Perfect poaching setup. Crack each egg into a ramekin first. Did you never crack directly into the water? Slide each egg gently into the swirl. Watch that white wrap the yolk perfectly. 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Firm white, runny yolk. That's the sweet spot. Lift gently, drain on a towel. Eyed 4 absolutely perfect poached eggs, ready to go. Golden toasted English muffins down first. Tupin, the foundation of our beautiful masterpiece. Canadian bacon on each muffin, warm, golden, centered, layer 2 done. Poached egg on top len. Gently, 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 don't you dare break that gorgeous yolk. Pour that golden Hollandaise over everything to game. Slowly, generously, beautifully dress, like this. The yolk-break hat. Look at that gorgeous golden flow hack. This is what dreams are made of. I'm fine. Fresh eggs, warm Hollandaise, toasted muffins, Harvey's. These 3 things make or break it. Classic Eggs Benedict, done with love. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next recipe. If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes, oven, like, subscribe, share. Thank you, America.